Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, there is a series going on my YouTube channel. Using the half sentence, I create any story and that story can go anywhere. Okay, so today I'm also going to create any story and using the half sentence. So make sure you are listening carefully and word using the interesting word you can create your story. So don't forget to subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe. Okay, so without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So I am going to take half sentence, and the half sentence is, one day I was getting bored. So using the sentence I'm going to create a story. One day I was getting bored and suddenly my phone started ringing. I picked up the call and it was my friend call. She wanted me to come her house. I said okay, I'm coming. I went to her house and my friend also made a call to her all friends. We all gathered over there from her house, and from there we all planned to go nearby park and we went there. We gathered over there, and while having conversation we decided to play a truth and dare game. Everyone's agreed. One of my friends named Raja, he was given a task, he was given a dare to give a hickey any girl to her neck. He agreed. He looked around everywhere and he spotted a girl nearby. And Raja, with his mischievous smile, he approached that girl and asked that he was given a dare to give a hickey on any girl neck. She agreed. The girl seems to be very different. She agreed. She didn't deny. Raja gently placed their lips on that girl neck and gave a suction, creating a temporary mark. The girl and the Raja burst into giggle and take a snap picture as a proof of the dare. As the night went on, they continued their game and creating fond of memory. After that, next day, the girl and Raja met somewhere and they started giggling. And the girl started shying. And next day, Raja was going somewhere and he came across the same girl in the market and they met. They started giggling over there, remembering the same picture of the hickey. They decided to keep it as a secret between them. They didn't say anyone about the hickey, about this picture. Next day, one of them friends went to the same girl house and under the garb of being good Samaritan, he narrated everything to her mom willy-nilly. And listening this thing, she got very angry. This story raised her hackles. When the girl came her house, she started showering her anger on that girl. She was down in the dumps and she got in the dilemma. She was not able to understand how to make her mom understand about the story, and she started asking her friends about the guy, but he didn't do anything. So guys, this was the story. I hope you must have liked it, and I would say you will be able to improve your fluency. Try to create your own story. In this process you will learn how to make sentences and in a simple way. Try to very simple make sentence. This will help you to improve your fluency, and after constructing the sentence, when you have learned how to make sentence, you can create your advanced level story. You can put your advanced word and create the amazing story. And I would say guys, please use this method, using the half sentence or using any word. You can create your own story. Try to speak. If you really have any desire to speak in English, you have to do that. Okay, so I would say I hope you must have liked this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icons. I will see you in the next video. If you liked it, if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, you can write in the comment box. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.